It sounds obvious, but if you want your online business to be successful, one of the best things you can do is focus on marketing your site by advertising and promoting it. One of the easiest ways to do this is to build an email list where you can contact your customers directly to promote any goods or services you may have to offer. But you might think, why use email when you can use social media instead? Well, let me explain. Email is personal, so you don't have to worry about fighting against an algorithm to make sure your message is seen. Email is also purposeful. If someone has signed up for your mailing list, then you know that they are definitely interested in hearing more about what you have to offer and are more receptive to your messaging. Building up a mailing list from scratch can definitely seem like a lot of work, but with the Campaign add-on by WPForms, it doesn't have to be. The Campaign Monitor add-on allows you to connect any of your contact forms to your Campaign Monitor account and automatically add users to your mailing list each time they fill out and submit a form on your site. Once inside the form builder, you can easily create a new connection, select any of the Campaign Monitor accounts you've integrated with your site, and then choose any mailing lists you'd like to connect your form to. You can map the fields in your form to the available fields within Campaign Monitor to make sure that your customer's information is sent exactly where it should be within your account. After a user has submitted a form, you can simply log into your Campaign Monitor account and find all of your brand new form submissions as part of your email marketing list. Connecting your web forms to your email marketing platform shouldn't have to be hard or confusing. And luckily, WPForms makes it easy. Over 6 million smart business owners, designers, and developers use WPForms to build smarter forms. So what are you waiting for? Get started with WPForms today.